When I'm tired or feeling small, Jesus lifts me through it all. He restores my soul each day. Come on kids, let's sing and say, when the world feels loud and wild, I am safe, I'm God's child. He gives me peace, He makes me whole. My shepherd restores my soul. He restores my soul, yes He does. He fills my heart with joy and love. Clap your hands and praise His name. Jesus' peace will never change. He restores my soul, yes He does. He fills my heart with joy and love. Clap your hands and praise His name. Jesus' peace will never change. By the water still and bright, Jesus keeps my heart in light. When I'm worried, when I cry, He wipes my tears and lifts me high. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, sing it true. God will always carry you. Even when I feel alone, He restores my heart and home. He restores my soul each day, guides my feet in His good way. Jump for joy and shout His praise. Jesus heals my heart always. He restores my soul each day, guides my feet in His good way. Jump for joy and shout His praise. Jesus heals my heart always.